Hi everyone, Nkiru here. Welcome to another beautiful day to share another special recipe with you. Baked macaroni and cheese. Mac and cheese is a popular side dish during Thanksgiving. And this recipe is yummy. It's simple, it's quick, and I'm excited to share it with you. Let's cook. I will list the full ingredients in the description box. We have elbow macaroni, which I prefer to use. Heavy cream, milk. We have butter, all-purpose flour, salt, and freshly ground black pepper. Finally, we have freshly grated cheddar cheese. Add the noodles to salted boiling water. Stir the pot so the noodles don't stick together. Cook uncovered for about 7 minutes until al dente. Drain the noodles, but do not rinse with cold water. Then go ahead and prepare the sauce. Melt the butter. Add the salt and pepper. Also add the flour. Stir it and cook for about 2 minutes. Go ahead and add the heavy cream. Then add the milk and continue stirring until the sauce thickens like a gravy. Go ahead and turn off the heat. Add 3 cups of cheese. Continue stirring for the cheese to melt. Go ahead and add the cooked macaroni. Mix to combine very well so that the sauce will coat the noodles. You can serve this meal like this, but putting it in the oven takes it to a higher level of deliciousness. I already preheated the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Transfer some macaroni in a greased baking dish. Sprinkle 1 cup of cheese and then add the remaining macaroni and top it with the remaining cheese. Bake for 15 minutes or until the cheese has melted. Allow to cool and then dig right in and enjoy the deliciousness. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, kindly share with friends and family, please. I appreciate your love and support. See you in the next video. Bye for now.